stolen bases, a couple of runs batted in. This one's hit well out to left field. Podsednik is back. That is gone. A big fly for Mike Trout. 25th of the year, and the Angels have a 1-0 lead.
Well, that baseball was absolutely covered by Trout. Now in the official group with 25 home runs and 40 stolen bases for Mike Trout. Second time he's had a leadoff home run. Well, they didn't take any time getting out in left center field, giving Jared Weaver with that smile an early lead fastball. Stayed in or half, and he turned on it and crushed it. The 20th home run that Buckholz